So in today's video, we have Momo going off. If you don't know Momo, she's a young lady that allegedly was in something with DOWEY, but it's really a gimmick. She went on the Fix to did a interview. He was supposed to be there. However, he changed his mind because Momo is dating his friend and all sorts of mix up. I'm gonna want to mix up the mix up, so let's get into the video.
Y'all don't know what the fuck to do with yourselves. Just don't bring that energy over here. Because I think I keep it respectful. But when niggas try to play with me and I'm not playing with them, I'm going to have to put you in your place. I'm a real G. I could never get in my feelings over a pussy that I never touched. A pussy that was never promised to them. A pussy that I never smelled. That would be crazy. That's like me going over crazy over a dick that's not mine. You know how much times I ride a dick and I start falling in love with the dick because you know I'm going to love the dick first. As soon as I see that it really ain't mine, like I can't get it when I want it, I don't want that shit. That's why they say I love a nigga for 3 weeks. I love everybody. But gotta chill with the subs, my nigga, because I'm getting confused. When you got people asking me and sending me that shit like you throwing word at me, nigga, you gotta hit direct. Because I don't want to get into the nitty gritty. Because you're not about that life, nigga. You're really not about that life. Just go ahead and entertain the people. Get some songs like I told you. I already said don't get attached to nobody. Right now, what's up, Goody? Oh, you talking to Mello though. But like I said that to you weeks ago. Like, focus on yourself. Don't get too caught up with anybody's name. You just was under one of the biggest names ever. You're always going to be known as that person's husband. We are not the same. You know what I'm saying? No matter what bitch deal with you, you're going to be known as that person's husband because that's how you branded yourself. And I told you weeks ago, yo, bro, don't even get attached to me. Brand yourself. Do your music the way I do. So for me, I throw some span. Just say it so we can just get festive and done. Because you talk about program, people program you all the time because you've been telling me, oh, people say you can turn for me. There's nothing for me and you to turn on, nigga. We really ain't into nothing. The fuck are you talking about? I seen you in a situation, but know some bitches can't fuck with me on the internet, and I stood my ground, which you seen that. Made niggas look at you in a different light, so I need to know if you subbing me. The only thing I did was turn around and really like your fucking friend. I fuck with that nigga heavy. He's a gentleman. And his dick is good. You understand what I'm saying? He really hold me down. You know what I'm saying? He really takes care of a bitch. You know what I'm saying? That nigga never asked me for money. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all niggas is running to Western Union and Money Grand every day more than bitches. Listen, y'all don't play with me, DOWEY. So behave yourself. If anybody know you know me. Y'all niggas want to be in y'all feelings, bro. Y'all can't be in y'all feelings. He's a gentleman. He's a bad man gentleman. Come on. Yo, and that's what I'm saying. You know, sometimes you go around niggas. Like the last nigga that I was with, I met him through a friend, and the friend ended up turning on me, getting jealous. It happens all the time. But I'm just saying, in this case, nigga, you got a real friend, a real nigga that's holding your head back for you and shit. Cause you scared to go places by yourself cause of Queenie. So let's talk about that shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause me a bad girl, and nobody can make me run up and down. That's just a fact of a matter.
In about 1 mile, turn right.
Yeah, no, I'm delivering them. You know, that's just the fact of the matter. Nigga, you crazy? I fuck certain type of niggas. I'm solid. There's certain anybody who knew me knew it was a fucking. This is the first storyline I ever did in my life because I was feeling sorry for a nigga. So I need to know if he throwing words at me. He need to talk direct. Because I would never. I'm just that ass, nigga. The more I was around you, I realized I would never. I never play with you like that, nigga. You ain't never hear me say, yeah, I'm going to fuck you. I'm going to rub you down. You're going to feel my throat. None of that shit. Never. So I need to know if you subbing me, nigga, after I just try to help you out in front of the world. because you was running from a woman and shit. Yeah, she's a tyrant. Queenie is a motherfucking tyrant. You understand? She is a fucking tyrant. When she get mad, that's why I don't even get mad when y'all talk about, oh, mama, go do your work. So, mama, young got queen. I don't give a fuck. She's a tyrant, nigga, but I know I stand on my own. But you see, when I deal with y'all niggas good and y'all try to play with me, because I don't know why you and your, there's no, fuck me. Say you want to block me, fuck me. But why you block your friend? Because your friend was trying to, like, nigga, you going on, if you going on fuckery, a nigga's supposed to be able to check you and let you know, like, you doing fuckery. That's what friends are for. If a friend see you doing fuckery, you're going to be like, yo, you need to fix up this or do that or ray. You understand? It is what it is. Niggas is on the phone 24/7 with that nigga. Like,
I-75 North.
you know? It is what it is. But I just need to know if you subbing me, Dewey, and let's go. Because I got a little time this week. I'm back home. I got a little time. Look, one thing with me, nigga. Pay attention. Look up to look at Nigga's interview. Pay attention to the reels. Let me show you how this shit works. Pay attention to the reels. Niggas put up the thing about me and Dewey, whatever, and Queenie. That shit only have